Hello everyone, here I am with my new video. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude and the universe will present you with a dazzling array of fascinating people and delightful circumstances. Make a list of the people and things you appreciate and pull out the list when you need a lift. Now, you must have guessed the topic. The topic for today is the power of appreciation meets the law of attraction. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. You have heard it all your life. Counts your blessings. Appreciate what you already have and watch it multiply before your eyes. What is this phenomena? Why does this happen? Well, it has to do with the fact that you are a broadcasting station sending out a signal that is answered in kind. As you practice directing the high frequency energy of appreciation by the law of attraction, even more fantastic people and things will appear in your life. As appreciation becomes your dominant vibration, you will spend less time in the lower states, feeling bad, feeling sad, and settling for less than you desire. Appreciation is a feeling that reaches deep into the heart, makes the mind happy, gives encouragement, and the mind is filled with excitement. True appreciation is always beneficial. So, when to praise? This question may arise in your mind. So, in response to this, it is fair to say that in the presence of everyone, praise should be seen before everyone so that through praise the spread of positivity is greater. Appreciation should never be false because false praise is not praise but flattery, which no one gets the benefit of, neither the praiser nor the hearer. Praising is an art which should go out from the depth of the heart. Only then it reaches the heart of the people. Nobody should take recourse to praise. Good work should be appreciated using the sweet words with an open heart. The heart of the praiser should also be pure and simple. It is possible that the sweet words of praise are filled with insidious hurt, but it never has any positive effect on the praiser, but is extremely harmful for his future. You should never praise yourself, nor be eager to listen to your praise from others. But if you want to be appreciated, you should do an act worthy of praise. But always keep in mind, it should not be done that the work should be done to get praise because it will not benefit anyone. If praise is not there, the person's actions are good, then one should watch his action and their consequences carefully. If someone is benefiting from it, then the happiness that comes from it is the greatest praise for the person. Whatever you believe about yourself is expressed to the ends of the universe. You are wonderful, brilliant, and worthy of all good things just as you are. So relax, be playful, have fun, laugh, be good to you. Focus on all the wonderful things there are to appreciate about you. In the entire universe, there have never been anyone exactly like you. Celebrate, appreciate, love, and feel good about you. As you apply the power of appreciation in your life, today and every day, you will quickly and easily magnetize into your life everything you could ever desire. Choosing the joy of appreciation is most powerful tool in raising your vibration, in coming into alignment with your desire, in connecting with source energy for a fabulous dose of well-being and clarity. So, I celebrate myself and sing myself. Thank you.